Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set up an aquarium with all these requirements. So you can see here, I'm gonna use these things to set up an aquarium, and let's check it out. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Let's turn it on, and the filter, and then the heater. To be remember while installing this is that see the heater right here, we have to install it to somewhere there is circulation of water. That means the filter here, so that the heat is evenly distributed throughout the system. And here's a thermometer. You can get the reading over here. It's nearly 15 degrees Celsius. Before stocking the fish, we have to leave it like this for at least 24 hours so that the heat is stabilized and then the water is completely purified until it became clear. we have to wait for it. Voila! That's how you can set up an aquarium with a fish tank, a heater, a filter, and then few gravels. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and peace.